last April. You know,
the Kenya Revenue Authority today appeared before the Parliamentary Finance Committee for an engagement to assess how to improve services for travelers passing through the Customs Department, especially at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. This emanating from concern that the current mode of operations may be negatively affecting the national image for tourists and investors.
We have lost everything. We used to be a regional economic hub, we have lost that status. We used to be a conferencing hub, we have lost that status. We used to be a humanitarian hub, we have lost that status. We used to be a travel hub, we have lost that status.
We need to look at the multiplier effect so that we don't push so much to collect these few monies at the expense of, for example, even other consumption taxes we would have collected if these people stayed longer here, if they chose Kenya as a destination again.
Officials from the Kenya Revenue Authority expressed the intention to change the way they monitor custom duties at various checkpoints to reduce incidents of travelers being mishandled.
We know without KRA, we will not have a system. That bit we understand. But we are saying it must be done in the most civil manner that doesn't remove the civil liberty of the individuals, a manner that does not prejudice the privacy of the individuals, a manner that will also create the human aspect.
Is as we address all these areas, we are working at the process, the systems, the infrastructure, and then the PR, how then we are treating our people. And of course, working with our staff to ensure that they uphold the utmost level of integrity.
During the meeting, it was discovered that there are gaps in the East African custom laws that need to be addressed to strengthen the law.
I would like KRA really to differentiate the commercial and the personal goods. Secondly, at least improve the areas of inspection.
But the law currently puts us in a situation that we can only allow you to bring in up to a maximum of value of $500 of the goods you are bringing. Whether they are for commercial or not, the value will determine what is going to come in.
Based on this, the chairperson of the committee, Molo Mp Kuria Kimani, expressed the intent to consider the request from KRA to increase the threshold for duty-free entry of goods under the East African Custom Management Act of 2004 from $500 to prevent conflicts that have been on the surge, especially at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport.
We're going to file a motion in Parliament, and they're going to institute an amendment to ECMA, to revise the limit of $500 and at least also guide on which items again are not subject to customs. For example, if I just bring home things for own use, then they ideally shouldn't be subject to those customs.
David Kagina, K24 TV.